Hi children, welcome back to the new chapter. Actually, we discussed about the water in the previous topic, and now the 16th chapter in our biology, that is garbage in and garbage out. Garbage in and garbage out. What is meant by garbage in and garbage out? Right? So let us see what is garbage in and garbage out. Here, garbage. Have you listened this word? Garbage. सुना है क्या आपने? Garbage is nothing but it is कूड़ा. कूड़ा कचरा. We use it to say कूड़ा या कचरा. So कूड़ा या कचरा in English it is called as garbage. Right? In Hindi we call it as कूड़ा या कचरा. Right. So here the materials, the waste material, actually the waste material or the rubbish material that we used, if once we use them they become waste material, right? So those waste materials are called as garbage, especially at the houses or at the office. In our daily life we are generating many garbage material, means कूड़ा कचरा बहुत जमा होता है, right? So day to day life, in our day to day life we are generating many varieties of garbages. The garbage material, for example, we'll take the simple examples, that is so before our mother at home, before cooking the vegetables, she is going to peel off. She peels off. She peels off the what you call the fruits or vegetables. When we peel off, for example, banana, we are going to remove the peel of the banana, and as well as apple or other fruits we are going to peeling off. This peel off will be thrown in the form of garbage, right? And as well as the vegetables, whatever the what you call the disturbed part or damaged part, our mother, she is going to remove, she is going to cut off, right? And they thrown into the dustbin ultimately. So the peels of the fruits, vegetables, and the leftover cooked food. So for example, we cooked a bowl full of rice, and if any remaining rice is there, now it is called leftover rice or leftover food. In the morning, if you don't eat, definitely it will go into garbage box or dustbin, right? So that it is called leftover food. Peel off of the fruits, vegetables, leftover food. And as well as at our household, if you take it our household, whatever the potted plant, if you are growing potted plants, now fallen leaf of the potted plants, the leaf that are fallen, so these fallen leaves of the plant, right, it is also called as garbage. Why? Because we are collecting them and throwing into the dustbin simply, right? And as well as in simple, as well as every household, it produces many number of waste products, and they purchase many number of packaged food. Packaged food का मतलब, for example, such as a flour bag, a rice bag, pulses bag, biscuit packet, chocolate wrapper, milk packet, oil packet. So all these are packed in the plastic bags, right? So here not only these the plastic bags, even the cardboard cartons that are used in packing of materials, cardboard pieces, and as well as paper wrapper, plastic containers, and other metal containers, variety kinds of plastic material or packing material that we are using in our daily life. So whatever these packing materials are there, these materials are useful, but whereas the packing material, which cardboard piece or otherwise a glass piece, or metal pieces, these are called useless things. Once we use the material present in it, and remaining one wrapper and etc., they are called useless things. So those objects are also generates the garbage, right? Have you understood? So they are also produce garbage. In case, for example, 2 3 children are there in the house and they are studying, so what they will do, they are regularly they are going to tear the papers from fair notes, or otherwise they generate some dust, pencil, and what you call when they sharpen their pencils, the wooden wastage, it can be thrown in the house here and there. It also produces garbage. It seems very simple, but it produces garbage. And as well as what you call the plastic objects that we are using, the damaged remote control, damaged TV sets, damaged computer electronics, wires, right? Polythene bags, plastic covers, plastic bottles, containers, broken plastic toys, all these are, again, they come under garbage. Why? Because we are throwing them outside the house, right? So even glass materials, broken mirrors, and metal objects, aluminum foils, rusted grills, door handles, right? All these objects are useless things to us, and they also form the garbage. They also form garbage. So here, not only one, many kinds of objects are there which we are calling them as garbage, but we ignore them. We don't know that. हमको पता नहीं चलता. For example, old clothes, discarded shoes, slippers, thrown away as a garbage, right? यहाँ चप्पल जब हम रोज़ इस्तेमाल करते हैं, सब जब टूट गया, सो क्या करेगा, तो दूसरा चप्पल भी फेंकना पड़ता है, राइट? सो शूज़, कपड़ा, वो सब गार्बेज के फॉर्म करने का फैक्टर्स बनता है, राइट? सो इन आवर डेली लाइफ इट हैपेंस. हियर द प्रॉब्लम इज दैट if a single person do all these, then for example 2 kg of garbage will be formed by one person. Just imagine how many are there in the India. Imagine just 100 crores people, if they form 2 kg of garbage, then think how much it become. 100 crores into 2, it becomes 200 crores kgs of garbage in a day, in a single day. Have you imagined what is going to happen, right? And very simple examples I will tell you. So whenever we get up from the buses, we are going to throw the tickets here and there. It forms the garbage. And some people, they eat groundnuts in the trains or buses. They throw the papers and peel off material there in the public places. And some people, they throw the banana peels on the road. So whatever it may be, these are called garbage producing materials, right? So here if many people, crores of people, if they produce the garbage, it becomes a heap of garbage. पूरा इंडिया कूड़ा कचरा से भर लेगा, right? So we have to definitely think about this garbage, right? If the garbage is not removed, for example, if the garbage is not removed, then what happens? Simply, if you keep the leftover food in our house for 2 days, what happens? It gives foul smell because it is rotten. Like that, this much of garbage, different materials, they are included in this. Then do you think what happens? It gives very bad smell. And even though it supports the growth of many microbes, disease causing microorganisms, and some insects like cockroaches, flies, mosquitoes, all they will develop because of this garbage, and they will spread the diseases, right? So the situation become very horrible if this garbage do not be cleaned, right? So definitely it is our duty to clean up this garbage. It is better prevention is better than cure. So that before disposing the garbage, we have to check out whether is there any material to reuse, is there any materials to useful again, if we can we use it again. Broken chair is there, if you repair it, it becomes normal, so you could use it. Why we have to throw them? So we have to take care before throwing the garbage, right? Here what happens in our towns or villages, the garbage is collected in the colony level. So the colony level garbage, neighborhood garbage is there. Now in neighborhood garbage, we throw the materials, waste materials. Now what happens? The Safai Karmacharis, we call them as municipal corporation people. The municipality workers, they come and they collect the garbage from the colonies. And what they will do, whatever the collected garbage is there from the colonies, they are going to dump in the dumping yards. They dump in dumping yards. Dumping yards. Have you listened this? Dumping yards are the large places where this garbage can be thrown. This garbage can be thrown. And here, not only simply they grow and throw them, they are going to separate the useful and useless materials. Again, plastic and what you call degradable and non-degradable materials, and wet material, dry material. They are going to separate the materials, waste materials, depending upon their nature, and we'll learn more about these in this lesson, right? In the further classes, definitely we should learn how to reduce the use of materials, and how to reduce the production of garbage, and what happens if they increase in the amount, in the quantity, right? We know very well in the cities, because of garbage they are struggling many problems, right? They are facing many problems, and not only in the cities nowadays, even in the villages also the garbage production is taking place in higher quantity, right? So here, before making the garbage, it is our responsibility to look after the material that we are throwing as a garbage, whether they are useful or not. We have to check it out. So in the garbage we could find two types of materials. What are those? Number one, useful components. Number two, useless components. So which one is called useful component? Means whatever the wastage, whatever the garbage is there, which can be renewed or recycled, which can be recycled. If you can able to recycle and reuse them, if you can recycle and reuse them, they are called useful components. Why? Because we can recycle and reuse them. Whereas some materials are there which cannot be recycled, which cannot be reused again, right? So those kind of materials are called as useless components of the garbage. Useful components of the garbage and useless. Useful and useless. What are called useless? If we unable to recycle them, if we unable to reuse them, they are called useless. And if you can recycle, if you can reuse, they are called recyclable, or useful compounds. Useful compounds. So here, useful compounds can be used of two types. Useful components of the garbage are of two types, which can be recycled or reused. So what are those? For example, the vegetable peels, right? Vegetable peels, and what you call leftover food, and kuda kachra. For example, in the cattle wastage. All these are called useful components of the garbage, and we could use them in the preparation of compost. We can prepare compost by using these waste materials. By using this waste material, we can produce compost. And as well as the paper, some plastic, some glass articles, they can be used. They can be used as new materials, renewable material. Means recyclable plastic, recyclable glasses, they are present, right? So like this, there are two kinds. Some useful components used as compost, and other kind of useful garbage, it is used as recycle and reuse. So we learn more about the garbage in the further sessions. I hope you understood this part. Thank you.